Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Charlie. And what's going on today? I'm going to bring you to look around the environment in Newcastle University, Malaysia. In short, we call it NUMed, and it's in Johor Bahru. I think most of the students are very excited for their university life. They are so excited to know how was the environment and how the campus looks like, how was the student life there. So before I enter this university, I was really excited. I wanted to know how was the environment looks like, because I think campus environment is really important. So for me, the first step I took was I tried search YouTube to see whether there is student video for the campus tour, but I can't find anyone. I was lost because I can't find more details from internet, and what I did was I purposely came to the campus to see the environment. And although I'm Johorian also, but it's time-consuming steps. So I was thinking, if there is one YouTube video on the campus tour, it will be more convenient for me because I don't need to traveling around. So few things I have to emphasize is, and I didn't comment anything in the video because I don't want you affected by me. I don't want you judge the university based on this video. I believe all the opinions and feelings are subjective. For me, it's fine, but maybe for the others, it's not fine. Honestly, for me, I satisfied what they provided. So there is one foundation in science program and 2 degree program in this university, medicine and biomedical science. I'm currently stage 2 biomedical science student, and you will notice that there's no one in the video. There's no student, no lecturer, because this video was taken one day before Chinese New Year. Everyone go back for Chinese New Year, and also I took the video early in the morning because I still quite shy to take video around when there's people. So I will bring you to look around the environment, but I won't comment anything. It's 7:35 a.m. This is how the environment looks like, and the opposite is University of Reading. So this is the student office. When we do have any inquiries and assignment, we will come here, and the working hours is 8:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Opposite of the student office is lecturer office and administrative support service, which is behind this door. So this is our library. We do have computer here and printing machine in the small room. This is my favorite place in the campus. I just finished my exam yesterday. This is how the first floor looks like, and we do have a lot of study place with a nice environment, and yeah, this is all the books we need. Beware of the color label on the books. It means the loan period. If you exceed, you have to pay the fine. our exam hall also. We do have lots of group study rooms. This is how the silent study rooms looks like. This is from another entrance of the IT cluster. Again, we have to tap our access card to get into the cluster. So this is how the IT cluster looks like. So this is the IT cluster looks like. Sometimes we will have our class in IT cluster also. So we are now in the Sir George Smart building. First floor and second floor are the same. It's seminar room. We will have our class here when we do have small group discussion. Laboratory are located here, and we have to scan our access cards before we enter, otherwise we can't enter.
will be few food truck here. Get foods from here, or we can get food from the cafe. This is how the cafeteria looks like. I can't enter because it's holiday. This is the another cafeteria in the campus. And again, it's holiday. So the cafeteria is closed.
Please subscribe to my channel if you like my video, and please comment below if you want me to explore more to you. I'll try to make it, and see you next time. Bye bye.